Hey, thanks for joining me. This video is about good soil health. Have you ever stopped to think about the ground beneath your feet? Did you know healthy soil is essential for sustainability? Soil is the foundation of our ecosystem. It's where our food grows and where the nutrients for plant growth come from. Unfortunately, soil degradation affects 33% of global soil resources. This degradation has severe consequences for food security and the environment. But there's hope. We can take steps to improve soil health, like reducing tillage and grow for the protection and enrichment of the soil. For example, the Royal Agricultural University (RAU) farm in Cirencester, Gloucestershire, they have been experimenting with reduced tillage methods to enhance soil health and productivity. By minimizing soil disturbance, they aim to improve soil structure and water retention, which in turn supports better crop yields and reduces the risk of soil erosion. Another example is the Yeo Valley Organic Farm in Somerset. They are one of the UK's largest organic farms, and they integrate cover crops into their farming practices. They use various cover crops such as clover and vetch to protect the soil during the off-season. These cover crops help prevent erosion, improve soil fertility and suppress weeds, contributing to a more sustainable and productive farming system. The no-dig method has also become very popular among organic growers in the UK. Research shows that no-dig gardening increases soil organic matter, improves soil structure and enhances biodiversity. By not disturbing the soil, we preserve the delicate web of life within it, including beneficial microbes and earthworms. Studies have found that no-dig practices can reduce soil erosion by up to 90%. This method also helps retain moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering, and can hold back significant amounts of carbon, helping to mitigate climate change. So, let's take care of the soil beneath our feet. It's essential for our future and the sustainability of our planet. Thanks for watching, and remember, grow sustainably.